Hello students, this is Radha. Welcome to Math Summer Camp conducted by Young India. So, in these summer camp sessions, you will be covering all the basics that you need for your next grade. So, we will be covering these topics: number system, LCM and HCF, divisibility, fractions and decimals, simplification, powers and exponents, percentages, profit and loss, geometry, perimeter and area of 2D shapes and 3D shapes, and directions. So, the first topic that we are going to discuss is number system. So, students, before telling you what is the meaning of number system or a number, let me introduce you to a word called digit. All of you might have heard this word called digit. So, these are all the digits. 0 to 9 are the digits. So, if someone asks you a question, there are how many digits? Then there are 10 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You might be wondering, when 10 is not included here, then how come it be 10 digits? Because we have 0. If you count 0 to 9, you will have 10 digits. There are only 10 digits in the whole mathematics. That are the numbers, that is the digits from 0 to 9. You are not supposed to call these as numbers, but you should call them as digits. Okay? Now, we have covered the basic thing called a digit. What is meant by a digit? Now, let us see what is meant by a number. So, a number is nothing but a combination of digits. So, what is a number? A number is combination of digits. Very simple, right? So, a number is nothing but it is a combination of digits. Now, what is meant by combination of digits? For example, let me take two digits. 1 is a digit, 2 is a digit. So, 1, 2. When I combine these two digits, that is 1 and 2, I will get a number called 12. Now, let me take one more example. I will take 8, 9 and 7. So, 8, 9 and 7. There are 3 digits in this number. There are 3 digits in this number, that is 8, 9 and 7. So, by this, what I can understand is, when the digits are combined, they form numbers. So, the combination of digits is called a number. There are only 10 digits. There are only 10 digits, but we have infinite numbers. By combining these digits, you will have n number of numbers which is not able to count. So, infinity means you cannot count that particular thing. There are infinite numbers, but there are only 10 digits. Simple. So, now let us move on to the next topic. That is the next point. Now, as you see here, whenever they ask a word called numeral in the question, you should know that number or numeral means the same. Okay, so whenever you get number in a question, it also means numeral. Whenever you see a word called numeral in a question, that means it is a number. If I take 8, 9, 7 as we just have taken, so there are 3 digits here, right? So when you combine them, I got a number 897. Now, this can be called as a number and this can also be called as a numeral. Fine, understood this concept. Let us move to the next one, that is value of a digit. There are two value of a digit. There are two values of a digit. One is the face value and the other is the place value. First, let us see face value. As its name tells us, face means same. So, face value is nothing but the same value. Let us take one example to understand the face value. So, if I take a number 83432891, this is a big number, right? But if I ask you a question, what is the face value in this particular number? What is the face value in this particular number? Then the answer is, what is the face value of 2 in this particular number? Then we will tell 2 is the face value of 2. Okay. Now, to understand this more better, let us take one more example. This is the another example that we will take for face value. Now, the question is, what is the face value of 7 in this number? They will ask you a question. What is the face value of 7 in this big number? The answer for this is 7 only. Now, let me tell you one point. That is, if they ask you the face value of any number, it is the number itself. If I am asking what is the face value of 8 in this number, it is 8 only. If I ask you what is the face value of 4 in this number, it is 4 only. If I ask you what is the face value of 6 in this number, it is 6 only. So, the face value of any number is the number itself. Okay? Let us move on to the next topic, that is place value. So, place value, as its name suggests, is nothing but, I will take an example for this. So, this is the number that I am taking in order to explain you place value. Here, place value is nothing but, usually what we will do, we will tell this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place, this is thousands place, this is 10,000s place. We will give the number from right side to the left side. Means the rightmost digit which is present in a number will belong to the ones place or the units place. The second number from the right side will belong to the tens place. The third number will belong to the hundreds place. The fourth number will belong to the thousands place. So, it will go on, like how many digits you have in a number, that many digits. But the point you need to remember here is, every time we will take a number from the right side to left side. Okay? Now, what is meant by place value? What is meant by place value? Place value means where the number is placed, where the number is situated, that particular value will be the place value. Now, I will ask you a question, that what is the place value of 1 in this number? What is the place value of 1 in this number? So, what I have to do in order to find the place value of 1 in this number is, first thing is they have asked the place value of 1. I will take 1 into, so 1 belongs to which place? It belongs to thousands place. So when 1 belongs to thousands place, we have to write 1 into 1000, which gives us 1000. So 1000 is the place value of 1 in this number. 1000 is the place value of 1 in this number. Let us take another example from the same question. What is the place value of 8 in this number? So we have to write 8 into 8 belongs to tens place here. So 8 into tens place means into 10, which gives us 80. So 80 is the place value of 8 in this number. Let us take one more thing. I will ask you, what is the place value of 7 in this number? So we have to write 7 into 7 belongs to 1's place. 7 into 1 is equal to 7. So the place value of 7 in this number is 7 itself. Now the question is, what is the place value of 3 in this number? So the place value of 3 in this number is, first of all, we need to take that number. 3 into 3 is situated in thousands place. So we have to write 3 into 1000, which gives us 3000. So the place value of 3 in this number is 3000. Now if I ask you a question, what is the place value of 2 in this number? Then we have to write 2 into 2 is situated in 10 lakhs place. So 2 into which gives us 20 lakh. So the place value of 2 in this number is 20 lakh. Whenever we are asked to find the face value of any number, we have to write the same number as the answer. Whenever we are asked to write the place value of any number, we have to multiply the number, the digit, that particular digit into the place it is situated at. Okay? The next concept that we are going to discuss is the types of place value system. We have two types of place value system. The first one is the Indian system and the second one is the international system. Indian system of place value, finding out the place value, is also known as Hindu-Arabic system. It is also known as Hindu-Arabic system. Which is known as Hindu-Arabic system? Indian system. The other name for Indian system is Hindu-Arabic system. So, let's first discuss Indian system. In Indian system, let us see the placement, how we will do the placement. First, we will write the ones place. As you see here, first we will write the ones place. Then we will have the tens place. We will have the tens place. After tens place, we will have hundreds place. We will have hundreds place. After hundreds place, we will have thousands place. After hundreds place, we will have thousands place. After thousands place, we will have 10,000 place. After 10,000 place, we will have lakh place. After that, we have 10 lakhs. We have 10 lakhs. Later, we have 1 crore. We have the crore. After crore, we will have 10 crores, 100 crores, 1000 crores. It will go on like that. But till crore is enough for you. Now, let us see how to place the commas in the Indian system. You have to put the first comma after the hundreds place. You have to put the first comma after the hundreds place means here. You have to put the second comma after the 10,000s place means here. You have to put the third comma after the 10 lakhs place means here. This is how you will arrange the commas. You will put the commas according to the Indian system. What you need to do? You need to put the first comma after 3 digits. That is, after 3 digits means hundreds place, you should put the first comma. After putting the first comma, you should leave 2 digits and put the second comma. After putting the second comma, you should leave 2 digits again and you should put the third comma. Again, you should leave 2 digits and put the fourth comma. Like this, it will go on. So, according to the Indian system, what you need to remember is first leave 3 digits, then put comma, then 2 digits, put a comma, then leave 2 digits again, put a comma. This is how you will be placing the commas according to Indian system. Let us take this number to place the Indian system, means the commas according to the Indian system. First, I told you that you should leave 3 digits and put the first comma. Means you should put the first comma after the hundreds place. Then you should leave 2 digits and put the second comma. Then you should leave 2 digits again and put the third comma. Then you should leave 2 digits again and put the fourth comma. So, only for the first comma you should leave 3 digits. For the rest of the commas, you should leave only 2 digits. Okay? So, let us come and learn about international system now. So, according to the international system, we have ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. After thousands place, we have 10,000s place. After 10,000s place, we have 100,000s place. After 100,000s place, we have millions place. After millions place, we have 10 millions place. After 10 million, we have 100 million. And after 100 million, we will have billions place. That is, after this 100 million, we will have this billions place. So this is how we have the order of places according to the international system of the place value system. So students, now let us see how to place the commas in the international system. First, the first comma should be put after 3 digits. That is, after hundreds place. The second comma should be put again after 3 digits. That is, after 100,000s place. The third comma should be put again after leaving 3 digits. That is, after 100 millions place. So this is how we will place the commas in the international system. First, you will leave 3 digits and place the first comma. Then you will be leaving 3 digits again and place the second comma. Then you will be leaving 3 digits and place the third comma. Like that, you have to leave 3 digits and place the commas in the international system. Okay? Now let us see how to place the commas in this number. First, you need to leave 3 digits and place the first comma. Then again, you need to leave 3 digits and place the second comma. Again, you should leave 3 digits and place the third comma. I guess you have understood how to place the commas in the international system of units. Students, let us go to a new topic called predecessor and successor. So, let me take one example and explain this topic to you. I am going to take 56 as my example. So, what is meant by predecessor? The before number is known as predecessor. So, what is the number before 56? It is 55. 55 is the number before 56. So, we will call 55 as the predecessor of 56. The after number is known as the successor. So, 57 is the after number of 56. So, here the successor of 56 is 57. Let us find out the predecessor and successor of this 52,837. So, the predecessor of 52,837 is 52,836. This is the predecessor of 52,837. Let us see what is the successor of this number. The successor of this number is 52,838. So, this is the predecessor and this is the successor. The next topic that we are going to discuss is ascending and descending order. Ascending order means small to big. Ascending order means small to big. Big to small is the descending order. So, ascending order is small number to big number. Whereas the descending order is reverse of ascending order. It is big to small number. So, students, now let us find out what is the ascending order of these numbers. So, first, whenever they are asking you a question, what is the ascending order, then you should check the digits first of all. How many digits the number has. So, when you see this number, it has 4 digits. When you see the second number, it also has 4 digits. When you see the third number, it will also have 4 digits. When you see the fourth number, it is also having 4 digits. After seeing how many digits are there, if all the digits are equal, then I should see the thousands place. Here the thousands place is 2. Here the thousands place is 3. Here the thousands place is 1. Here the thousands place is 2. If I see 1 is the smallest number, as I already told you, ascending order means small to big. So, as 1 is the smallest number among all these numbers, you should write 1000 first. Now, 1000 is completed. As you see here, the second smallest number is 2. We have 2 2's here. So, what we need to do? We need to move to the hundreds place. Here, the hundreds place we have 3. Here, the hundreds place we have 7. So, is 3 big or 7 big? Of course, 7 is bigger than 3. So, as 3 is smaller, we have to write this number. 2, 3, 4, 5. This is done. We have 2 numbers. This number and this number. If you see, 2 is smaller than 3. So, I will be writing this number first. At the last, we will be writing the number which has 3 in its thousands place. So, children, as you see here, this is the ascending order of the given problem. Now, let us see the ascending order of these numbers. First, as I told you, you should see the number of digits it has. The first number has 5 digits. So, the first number has 5 digits. The second number has 4 digits. Third number has 4 digits. The fourth number has 5 digits. The fifth number has 4 digits. So, we need to take the 4 digits numbers first. We need to consider the 4 digits numbers first. We have 3 4 digit numbers. Let me check their thousands place. Now the thousands place of this number is 2. Here we have 6 as its thousands place. In this we have 2 in the thousands place. So first we are going to take the smallest one. As we have two 2's here, means they are both same. We should go for the second place, that is the hundreds place. Here I have 8 in the hundreds place. Here I have 3. So first I am going to take 2381. The second one that I am going to take is 2894. The third one I am going to take is this one, 6289. Now let me check. Here in the 10,000s place I have 1, whereas here I have 2. So 1 is less than 2. So first I am going to take this number. So this is the ascending order of the given question. Now let us find the descending order of these numbers. Descending order means big to small. So what I need to do is first I will check the number of digits. This particular number has 4 digits. This number also has 4 digits. This number has 3 digits. This number has 3 digits. And the last number has 4 digits in it. So first, as I told you, descending order means big to small. So we need to take 4 digits first, because 4 is greater than 3. If I see, I have 2 in the thousands place, I have 8 here, and I have 2. So as 8 is greater, we will take 8726, comma. Here in the hundreds place, I am having 3, whereas here I am having 8. So I will take 2876. Then I am going to take 2384. Later, I have to take the 3-digit number. I have 2 3-digit number here, 284 and 329. First, I am going to take 329 because 3 is greater than 2. Then the last number that I will get is 284. So children, this is the descending order of the given question. So children, now let us see what are these natural numbers. What is meant by natural numbers? So natural numbers are also known as counting numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so on are known as natural numbers because we can count these numbers. They are also known as counting numbers. Students, you should also remember that natural numbers are always positive. They are never negative. So we will represent these natural numbers by capital N. This is how we will be representing the natural number. So now let us discuss the properties of natural numbers. The first property is closure property. So according to the closure property, when A plus B is equal to C, where A and B are both natural numbers, then their sum, that is C, is also a natural number. Not only their sum, but their product is also a natural number. So, according to the associative property, when A plus of B plus C is equal to A plus of B plus C, means when the grouping is changed also, their answer will be same. That is also same in the case of multiplication. It is only possible, this associative property of natural numbers is possible only when A, B, C are natural numbers. N represents natural number. The third property of natural numbers is the commutative property. So according to this property, A plus B is equal to B plus A. And also when A into B is equal to B into A. So this commutative property of natural numbers is only possible and it will only be true when both A and B belong to natural numbers. So the fourth property under the natural numbers is the distributive property. According to this property, A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C, and A into B minus C is equal to A into B minus A into C. The distributive property of natural numbers is only possible when A, B, C are natural numbers. Children, now let us discuss few very important points regarding the natural numbers. So, the first point is 0 is not a natural number. You have to remember that 0 is not a natural number and all the natural numbers are positive. All the natural numbers are positive. Natural numbers can never be negative. They can never be negative. They cannot be written as fractions. They cannot be written as decimals. Means what I mean to say is natural numbers means if a number is negative, it is fraction or they are in the form of decimals, they will not come under the natural numbers. The smallest natural number is 1. The smallest natural number is 1. Now, as we have seen some important points regarding the natural numbers, let us learn how to represent numbers on a number line, how to represent the natural numbers on a number line. So, this is how we represent natural numbers on a number line. Here, remember that you should never include 0 in the natural numbers set. Also, here I have put a dot. I have put a point because 1 is the first natural number. Before 1, there is no natural number. And after 13, natural numbers will continue. After 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, so on till infinity are natural numbers. That's why to indicate that there are numbers still following, there are infinity numbers, I have put a arrow mark here. So, the next topic that we are going to discuss is whole numbers. Whole numbers include 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on till infinity. We will represent whole numbers by capital W. By the capital letter W, we will represent whole numbers. One important point that you need to understand here is when we add 0 to the natural numbers, we will get whole numbers. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. So, these are all the natural numbers. When we add 0 to it, this will become the set of whole numbers. Always remember that when 0 is added to natural numbers, it gives us whole numbers. Let us discuss the properties of whole numbers. The first property is the closure property. According to closure property, A plus B is equal to C, A into B is equal to C. So, when A and B are whole numbers, then their Sum will also be a whole number. When A and B are whole numbers, then their product, that is when we do the multiplication, the answer that we get is known as product. That will also be a whole number. So this is what the closure property states. The second property is the associative property. According to associative property, A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C, and A into B into C is equal to BA into B into C. When the grouping is changed, also the answer will be same. This is what the associative property will tell us. Now, this associative property is possible only when A, B and C are whole numbers. So students, the third property is the commutative property. According to this property, A plus B is equal to B plus A, and A into B is equal to B into A. This commutative property under the whole numbers is possible only when A and B are whole numbers. The fourth property under the whole numbers is the distributive property. According to this property, A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. A into B minus C is equal to A into B minus A into C. The distributive property under the whole numbers is possible only when A, B and C belong to the whole numbers. The important points of whole numbers are: when 0 is added to the natural numbers, then we will get the whole numbers. Also, the fractions and decimals do not come under the whole numbers. So, let us see how to represent the whole numbers on a number line. So, this is how we are going to represent the whole numbers on a number line. Here, the dot is to indicate that 0 is the first whole number, and the arrow mark on the right side is to indicate that the whole numbers continue till infinity. Now, let us solve some questions related to today's class. The first question is, if 1 is added to the greatest 7-digit number, it will be equal to. So, the greatest 7-digit number is this is the greatest 7-digit number. And now, if we add 1 to that, we will get 1 crore as the answer. So the correct option is D. So the second question is, in the Indian system of numeration, this number can be written as. First, let me write down the number. As they are asking us the Indian system, we will be putting the first comma after the 3 digits. Then we will leave 2 digits and place the second comma. After that, again we will leave 2 digits and place the third comma. So this is how we write this particular number in the Indian system. So therefore, the correct option for this question is C. So the third question is, 1 million is equal to dash. So we will write 1 million like this, and the equivalent number is this one, that is 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. Next question is, the predecessor of 1 lakh is. This is how we write 1 lakh. So the predecessor means the number before this one. So 99 99,999 is the predecessor of 1 lakh. So the correct option is B. The next question is the product of successor and predecessor of 999 is. So the predecessor of 999 is 998 and the successor of 999 is 1000. So they are asking the product of the successor and predecessor of 999. So we are going to multiply these two numbers because product means multiplication. We will multiply the predecessor and successor of this number. So the predecessor is 998 into the successor is 1000, which will give us 9,98,000. So the correct option is B. So students, the next question is the product of the place values of 2's in this particular number. So first what we need to do is we have to find out the place values of 2's in the number. In this particular number we have two 2's, 1 2 and 2 2. Let us find the place value of the first 2. It is 2 into, it is located in the tens place. So 2 into 10 gives us 20. So the place value of first 2 in this number is 20. Let us find out the place value of the second 2 in this number. We have to write 2 into, this particular 2 is located in 10,000's place. We are going to multiply it with 10,000, which will give us 20,000. So the place value of first 2 in this number is 20 and the place value of second 2 in this number is 20,000. What they are asking is, they are asking us to multiply. Product means I already told you, it is multiplication. They are asking us to multiply these two numbers. So let us multiply. 20 into 20,000 is equal to 5 zeros over here. This is the answer. Means 20 into 20,000 gives me 4 lakh. So option C is correct. So the seventh question is, in the international system, we can write this particular number as. So first let me write down the number. 2498208. So this is the number. How we are going to write it in the international system? First, according to the international system, we have to leave 3 places, that is 3 digits, and put the first comma. Again, we have to leave the next 3 digits and put the second comma. So this is how you write this particular number in the international system of numeration. If you see the first option, it is matching with our answer. So A is the right option for this question. The next question is, what is the face value of 4 in this number? If you see, the number is very big. But remember one thing. I told you that face value of any number is the same. So if you see, 4 is located here in this number. But the face value of 4 in this number is 4 itself. Remember the point that I told you earlier. Face value of any number is the number itself. So when they are asking you the face value of 4, you have to put the same answer. So C is the right answer. The next question is, they are asking us to arrange these 4 numbers in the ascending order. So children, I told you that first you need to check the number of digits. In the first number I have 6 digits. In the second number also I have 6 digits. In the third number also I have 6 digits. In the fourth number also I have 6 digits. The next thing we have to check is its lakhs place. Here we have the lakhs place. So we will check the lakhs place first. We have 5 in the lakhs place. Here also 5. Here also 5. Here also 5. What we need to do is we need to move to the next place. Here in the 10,000s place we have 5. Here we have 2. Here we have 9. Here we have 3. So according to these numbers we have to arrange them in the ascending order. Ascending order is nothing but small to big. So which is the smallest number? 52. So 5,26,452 will be the first number. Second number will be 5,34,561. The third number will be 5,56,442. And the last number will be 5,95,442. So this is how you have to arrange the numbers given in the form of ascending order. So the next question is, find the sum of the face value of all nines in this number. 9,99,999. You have to find the sum of all the face values of nines in this number. First of all, let us see what is the face values of all the nines. So the face value of this particular 9 is 9. This 9 face value is also same. Because remember that I told you face value of any number is the number itself. So here also it is 9. Here also it is 9. Here also it is 9. And for the last number also it is 9. So what they're asking you is the sum. Sum means addition. You have to add. We have to add all these numbers. So 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9, which is nothing but you can write it as 9 into 6 will give us 54. Because there are 6 9s, I am multiplying 9 into 6, which will give the answer as 54. So the correct option for this question is option B. So this is all for today's class, children. Today you will be given a worksheet as your homework in the form of Google Forms. You have to fill the form and that is the homework for the day. Thank you students for attending the class. Meet you in the next class.